How to fix MetaTrader 5 not working properly. Experiencing issues with MetaTrader 5 can disrupt your trading activities, and here is a comprehensive guide to troubleshoot and resolve common problems. So let's get started. First of all is connectivity issues. No connection or invalid account errors. Ensure your internet connection is stable. In order to do that, swipe down the control panel and verify that you are connected to the correct server provided by your broker. If issues persist, try restarting the platform or reinstalling it as well. Now, once done so, simply try opening the MetaTrader 5 account on your mobile device. Now here, all you have to do is make sure that automated trading is enabled in the platform settings and confirm that your account has sufficient fund and that you are trading with the allowed hours for this specific instrument. Because review your trade parameters such as lot size and stop loss levels to ensure they are set correctly, because orders not executing properly can also cause this issue. Also, close any unused charts and indicators to reduce the platform's load, and consider increasing your computer's RAM to enhance performance. Now all you have to do is go back to the home screen, then simply tap on the Google Play Store in Android and App Store for iPhone. Then in search address bar, simply type down the MetaTrader 5. Then tap on the MetaTrader from the list. And if there is an update icon available, update it to the latest version. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.